I've done a lot of reviews recently on lights, things from $100 all the way up to the thousands. I don't want you to get the idea that it takes a ton of money to do lighting. You can do some simple things to make your videos look really good. In particular, let's check this out. Quite a difference. All I did was purchase these two cheapo can lights. I'll put links below in the description, and bought two cheapo bulbs. I clamped one on a guitar stand behind me. I clamped one to this drum set behind me and just shot it at the wall. Again, the difference is quite plain. It looks brown, it looks muddy. I don't want to paint the walls, take everything down and do everything else. So I simply add those can lights, I clamp them onto something, shoot them at the wall, turn them on, and there you go. Here's the red version of these. These are only 3-watt LED bulbs, and they're really cheap. You can buy them in blue like I have. You can buy them in red. You can get plain white or any type of color you want. I suggest you getting a couple different colors and trying them out, or maybe you have a color that really works for you. Let's see what the red looks like. Now there's the red look. I've just basically replaced these little two blue LED bulbs with the red bulbs that I showed you a minute ago. Personally, I don't like it. It looks okay. Now over here, I've put a red light in one of these LED bulbs and a blue light on the other side. These guys, just to give it some difference, just make it look colorful. Doesn't have to be like this. I don't prefer it that way. I like the blue better than the red personally. Also, I have these on this little clicker. These are also very cheap. What they do is they plug into an AC outlet, and then they have plug receptacles on them that you plug your other stuff into. There's 3 on this one, some of them have 5, etc. And you just turn it on and off. I have these all over my studio for all my lights and all my different stuff. So when I come in, I just go click, 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 and everything's going and everything works. You don't have to pay a lot of money for lighting, especially when you're first starting out. Just get some lights back there. It'll pull you off the wall. It'll make something like this brownish, ugly, coffee looking thing or whatever color you have, and it'll turn it into something that's really nice and more pleasing to your viewer's eye. Don't forget I have paid and free courses over at Basic Filmmaker University, so you can get some more smarticles. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And you can just use this remote controller by simply pressing the button. What you can do is actually use the correct controller, remote controller, like this one. This is the one. This is for something totally different. So you would use this one. Always something. It's always something.